Unlocking memories, the power of to jog one's memory. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we dive into the fascinating world of the English language. Today, we're exploring a very interesting phrase, to jog one's memory. Whether you're a beginner or advancing in English, understanding these expressions can be incredibly useful in everyday conversations. So, let's get started and find out what it means to jog someone's memory, and how you can use this expression in your English communication. To jog one's memory means to do or say something that helps someone remember a piece of information, an event, or a person. The key idea here is assistance in recalling something that is not immediately coming to mind. It's as if your memory is a slow computer, and jogging, it is like giving it a gentle nudge to work faster or more efficiently. Imagine you're trying to remember a song you heard years ago, and a friend hums a tune or mentions a few lyrics. If that helps you remember the song, your friend has successfully jogged your memory. Now, let's see to jog one's memory in action. Understanding its use and context can really help solidify its meaning. 1. In conversation, seeing the old photo album jogged my memory about our childhood adventures. 2. In writing, the author included a footnote to jog the reader's memory about a character introduced in a previous chapter. 3. In everyday situations, if you're trying to remember where you placed your keys, and someone asks, "Did you check your coat pocket?" If that suggestion leads you to remember, they've jogged your memory. To effectively incorporate to jog one's memory into your English, here are a few tips. Practice with examples. Make up your own sentences or scenarios where this phrase could be used. Relate it to personal experiences. Think of a time when someone helped you remember something or vice versa. Use it in varied contexts. Try using the phrase in different situations, like during conversations, in emails, or when telling stories. And that wraps up our exploration of the phrase, to jog one's memory. We hope this video has jogged your memory about how vibrant and expressive the English language can be. Remember, language learning is a journey, and every new phrase you learn opens up new ways of expressing yourself. Thanks for watching, and we hope to see you in our next video. Keep practicing, and don't hesitate to revisit this one whenever you need a little memory jog about this phrase.